Hi you all, Jillian here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to put on fake nails and make them last and look gorgeous for 2.5 to 3 weeks. Right before I started doing fake nails, I had bought all of this stuff to do at-home gel, and I was really digging it until one of my favorite people on the planet, Nur of NurBurXO, told her followers that gel nails can cause cancer. And not only that, when it develops, it'll be a black spot underneath the nail, and to biopsy it, they have to take off the entire nail. Not down for that in any capacity, I started getting fake nails. Now these are Static nails. Static is gorgeous and well known. These are in milky pink, but also I just recently dipped my toe into the Kiss nail brand, which are also gorgeous. So really whatever fake nail brand you want to use is going to be great with this process. So when I first started doing this, it was really messy and bad, and so through trial and error and other research, I've developed this process I'm about to show you, which again keeps them on really long but also looking nice and healthy. So let's get into it. So first we're going to find which nail fits with which finger, and you want to make sure that the nail fits over your entire nail bed but that it isn't spilling over. I usually write on the box the numbers for each finger that I use so that I can go ahead and remember for the next pack. Next, we're going to give ourselves a manicure. So pushing the cuticle down, you want to be really gentle because our bodies are smart and that protective skin is there for a reason. So do get it out of the way, but don't be too aggressive. We want to be good to our skin. Next, you're going to clip off any excess skin, but again, be gentle. It's not necessary to get too close to the skin. And the harsher you are with this skin, the more it's going to grow back hangnaily, and we don't want that. Okay, once that's done, you're just gonna gently create some texture on the nail. Now you're not filing your nail down here, you're just making sure that the nail bed isn't smooth so that that fake nail and the glue have something slightly rough to latch onto. Then go back and clip off any excess skin or nail pieces that may have gotten dislodged in that filing. And now go wash your hands thoroughly. We want this to be as oil-free a surface as possible for the glue to really stick. So wash and dry your hands and try not to let your fingertips touch those nail beds anymore. The final step before gluing is going in with a nail surface cleanser. I'm using Gelish, but you can sub it for a non-acetone nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol. This is getting that nail bed even more oil-free for the glue to really stick. Okay. Now we're ready. So you don't want to use too much glue, right? It's going to get everywhere, but you also really want to saturate the nail bed. I do this by doing about 3 drops and then smoothing it around with the head of the glue dispenser. It's almost like I'm painting my nail with the glue. You want to really make sure that it's spread almost to every outer edge of the nail. Then only do a couple drops of glue on the fake nail, and again, spread it around to where it's going to stick on your nail. And as you put it on, focus on the bottom edge going on first and push it down towards your hand. Once it's on, press from the center outward so that you're avoiding air bubbles as much as possible. Keep smoothing out and holding on your finger for about 10 seconds. Whew. Then you're just going to repeat the process for each hand. Once you're done, an optional step, depending on whether you like the shape of the nail or not, is to shape it to whatever you do like. Now, these short round ones I really loved, but most times I'll cut these nails way down. They're usually too long for me with my clippers and then file them into more of an almond shape. Once the nails are on, I rub a nourishing cuticle oil into each cuticle. Again, I'm using Gelish, but you can use almost any oil to massage that and really lock in the manicure you gave yourself. And then they look gorgeous. That's it. It's really easy, much easier than doing at-home gel was, and obviously much healthier. It just makes you feel put together to have fake nails on. So I hope that these fake nails have you feeling like the gorgeous goddess that you are. Let me know if you have any questions, like and subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll catch you all on the next one.